Good morning, Brad Wimmer with the State of the Cities address this morning. I thought it was interesting. I thought it got a little almost divisive between the cities, and we're not trying to make the four cities competitive at all. And my hope is that the city of Fargo can become much more collaborative with Dilworth, with West Fargo, with Moorhead, and the city of Fargo. We're going to be the lead on some things. Some of the other cities are going to be the lead on other things. We didn't talk about moving into the future at all. And Fargo is going to be one of the leaders, and I hope that's what I can bring to the table, is bring a futuristic approach, bring a vision for the city of Fargo. We talked a little bit about this morning about small business being the backbone of our economy, and being from our company in Fargo for 95 years, transitioning from my brother and myself to my son and our current work establishment, creating a workforce, a steady workforce, bringing people to the valley, for not only for our business, but thousands of other small business and large businesses and startup businesses into the economy, was a big issue this morning. Didn't talk about police and much about the safety of the community, and I think that's going to be a big issue moving forward. So as we grow, and we're growing at a very rapid pace, that the safety of the community is at the utmost in the minds of our citizens. So I think those are some of the things we're going to touch on that Fargo really didn't touch on this morning. What are we going to be doing in the next 5 to 10 to 20 years to ensure that you as citizens enjoy bringing your families here, enjoy living here, working here, and going to school here? It's good right now. We want to make it better. We want things to grow. We want to collaborate, whether it's a water treatment plant, whether it's water coming in the valley. We need to work hand in glove with the state legislature. This eastern economy is booming, it's growing, got infrastructure needs, and we need to work with the legislature and collaborate together to make our community the best that there is.